In this video, we will see how to use an elevator. First of all, you should see here two buttons with two arrows. This one is for going down and this one is for going up. So I'm going to use this button to go up. This will call the elevator. That should arrive in a couple of seconds. Once the elevator will reach your floor, the door will open and you can proceed inside. Then, if you see someone coming and the door is closing, just put your hand like that. This is courtesy. The other people will be able to enter. Then, over here, you can see a couple of buttons. One to open the door, one to close the door. So if I press this button, of course, this will open the door. The door normally closes automatically. Then, here, you can select the floor you want to reach. So if right now I want to reach floor number 4, well, I press floor number 4, and you should feel the elevation you get with the elevator. Then, you will reach your destination, and you can just go outside and do what you have to do on this floor. If it's too complicated, you can also use the stair. I hope this was helpful.